Learn how to enable two-step verification on TikTok from this video. Let's just get right into it. First is to get to your TikTok app and tap on it. So mine is group under social, so I'll tap there and tap on TikTok. As your TikTok account opens, tap on your profile, okay, which is at the bottom right. In this case, the position may be different depending on the type of phone you're using. Now tap on the three lines, which is the menu. On tapping on the three lines at the top right, select Private Settings and Privacy. On getting to Settings and Privacy, tap on Security and Permissions. Now you can see two-step verification is turned off here. So let me turn it on. I will tap on that two-step verification. Now I will enable email, alright, so that code will be sent to my email address as well when I want to log into a new device, alright. Maybe somebody wants to hack it, or if you want authentication, tap on the authentication option and then install an app to generate your verification code, maybe Google Authenticator, alright. But here, let's go with email. So I will tap on check that box and then I will tap on turn on. Okay, here part of your email address is shown, so tap on continue. Then verification code is sent to the email, so I will input it and it says add to trusted device. Then I will tap on add. And with this, two-step verification is turned on this my TikTok account.